explore the OneNote interface and highlight some key components. When you first open OneNote, you're going to land on this main screen. On the far left, you'll find your various notebooks. Once you go into the drop-down, you'll see the sections under each notebook, and then to the right, the pages. There is no limit as to how many sections and pages you can create, so that's good to know. It might be overwhelming at first, but think of it as a series of folders that become increasingly specific. I like to compare it to a school binder. The notebooks represent the binders, the sections are the dividers, and the pages are where you take the actual notes. So let's quickly walk through the process of creating a new notebook, section, and page, followed by a quick overview of customization options. So to add a new notebook, go to File, New, click where you want it to live. I always recommend the cloud, but for this example, I'm going to stick it on my PC. Give it a relevant name, and then create notebook. It'll then prompt you to invite collaborators. This is a great feature. It's a game changer. It allows you to share specific notebooks with your whole team, which greatly enhances brainstorming by providing a cohesive space for all ideas. For the sake of this example, though, I'm going to click Not Now. So now that you've created the notebook, you can add sections and pages within it. Remember to name everything with purpose. This is going to save you a bunch of time later when you have multiple notebooks, each with several sections and pages. So we'll name this page Budget, and then this section Overview. Within the pages, you'll find many features similar to other Microsoft 365 apps. We'll go to one that's a little bit more built out. So you can see you can customize the background by going to Draw, Format Background. You can add grid lines, otherwise just change the color. And then, of course, it has all the text editing features up top. You can also view history by going to Recent Edits, and you can track all of that. And then you can also add attachments and pictures and Excel spreadsheets, which is really nice. The one thing I do want to point out is when you add images, you can actually extract the text from the image. So for example, here, so this image, I pasted it here. You can right click, copy text from picture, and then I did it all the way up here already, but paste it, and then so it grabbed the text from that image, which is really nice. Something else to point out is you can hit this transcribe button and actually upload a video file or audio file and extract the text from that as well. So I already did this. This was a video. You can see it was uploaded here, and then I also extracted the text so I can play around and clean that up if I want to use that in my notes as well. Another important feature to point out is tagging. For example, if an idea comes to mind while you're taking notes, you can jot it down and tag it as an idea. So this light bulb right here, that's what that signifies. So for example, if I wanted to AI and machine learning integration into manufacturing, if I want to tag that as an idea, I highlight it, right click, and then go here, and then I find my idea tag, and just like that, it is tagged. Other ways that we've seen this used is people can mark things as part of their to-do list, important questions they have to come back to, if they want to remember it for a blog post or remember to follow up with someone down the road. You can use tags for endless amount of features. So they have some built in here. You can also customize tags as well. You can also quickly find specific thoughts using the search functionality. So this tool is essential for locating notes or information across all your notebooks, saving you time and effort. So for example, I can search for Resolve IQ, and you can see it pulls up all the areas that Resolve IQ is mentioned. And if I click into one, it'll bring me right to that spot. I hope this walkthrough helps you get started with OneNote. If you have any questions or want a deeper dive into any features, drop a comment below. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe.